if we have, for example, this screen where I have this navigation bar, and I have this, I'm using this example just to showcase what we're gonna do here. We have these tiny icons, but we need to export them in this size, which is 25 per 25. And as we see, our icons are a little bit different. This is 20 by 20, this is 21, 21, and this is 23, 23. And we want all of them to be the same size as we have in our design, but we want them to be in a 25 per 25 square. So how can we do this? There is something in Sketch that is meant for this case, and it's the slices. Yeah, probably if you've used Illustrator, not Illustrator, sorry, Photoshop, or any other tools of Adobe which includes the slices to export, you will be very familiar with it. So we can go to Insert, and here we have the slice, or we can use the shortcut S. When we insert the slice, we are just basically drawing a square. And for example, here you see that it changes from a cross to, to a knife, because we are over a layer and it's already telling us that we are slicing something. So I'm gonna create a 25 per 25 square. I'm gonna just create a simple square and modify here the 25, 25. So we have the slice 25, 25 here. I'm gonna center it. So we have a preview on our right menu, or right navigation. We have a preview of how the export is gonna look like. Once we are ready and we are fine with our export, we're gonna say the exporting capabilities of this slice. And in this case, I'm gonna use this new feature from the last version of Sketch, which is presets, and I'm gonna say iOS, which automatically adds as the different exports for iOS. But if you don't wanna use this feature, just add, as we've seen in previous lessons, all the exports that you need. Once you have this added, you just have to basically copy and paste the same slice for the other different layers, for the other icons. So I'm gonna copy, paste, move it here, and paste and move it to the third one. So with this, we have our 3 slices ready to be exported. We have them here. I sometimes even create a group to have them collected, so slices, and I know that all of them are here. Well, you would need to properly rename it, like 3 or whatever, and you have them, all of them here, and you can easily export them. You can select all of them. You see here the preview, and you can export the layers, and you're gonna be exporting the layers with, you see these transparent pixels around to make them match the sizes you need for your designs, for your developers, or for whoever needs them. So yes, this is an easy way to export different layers with the different sizes inside Sketch.